Imagine making money online simply by reading emails. That would be incredible. With this method, you can make money over and over again. So, how much money can you truly make? Okay, so you can earn up to $50 for reading 10 emails. If you send them 20 emails, you can earn up to $150. If you read 30 emails, you can earn up to $250. Finally, you can earn up to $400 for reading 40 emails. The method I will teach you today is completely free, which means you will not need to invest any money to get started. This method is also available all over the world. So don't be worried if you're not from the United States. You can do this from anywhere in the world. So I want you to watch this video to the end because I will be sharing a strategy in this video that will allow you to earn double and be one step ahead of your competitors.
But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now?
So the first thing I want you to do is go to Vindale.com. This is a website where you can make money online simply by answering surveys. Get paid to take online surveys, but I'm going to stop you right there because we won't be doing any surveys. As seen in this video, you're going to do nothing but read emails online. Let me now demonstrate something to you. And, as you can see, Vindale has paid out over $7 million to their members all over the world. And this website pays you in cash, not in a point system or in gift cards. I'd like you to look at this earn cash for every email you open. Earn just for reading paid email, all the way up to turning on word mail in your email preferences to open and view paid promotional messages. This is where you can make money online by simply reading emails. Before we go any further, I'd like to point out that the sign-up process for this website is a little complicated as it only accepts users from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia. You don't have to worry if you are not from these countries, such as India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, or other countries, because I will show you a method and how you can sign up for free even if you are not from these countries. And they want you to stay tuned so you can learn everything I'm going to teach you in this video. I wanted you to stay tuned because when we get to this website, I don't want you to sign up right away because we still have to go to another website before we can start the sign-up process. Okay, so once again, I'll tell you what to do step by step. So sit back and relax while watching this video. Once logged in, you'll see 9 different categories, including cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, home improvement, popular restaurants and new technology, health and beauty, shopping, and fashion. Finally, there is travel and leisure. Let me now take you through the first step. These 2 categories will make you the most money if you read emails about shopping, fashion, and health and beauty. So all you have to do now is read emails from both of these categories. When you select these 2 categories, you will see that you can earn $10, $1, or even $3.5. However, as you can see, there are numerous options available to you. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the options right now. Going back to the website, I want you to click on this link right here that says sign up and get paid to read email. Click on that link and you will be redirected to this page right here. So you can sign up for a free account right here, but please pay attention and listen to what I have to say. You're one step closer to getting paid for your opinion. Just follow the steps below to get started. You can earn up to $25 if you do this correctly, but there is a catch. You must properly register. So I'd like you to type in your email address, first name, and last name, but before we begin, I'd like you to take some precautions, okay? Because this is where the secret strategy that I will teach you comes into play. Only the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia are available. Before we move on, I'd like you to go to google.com and search for random list. If you click on search, you will be able to find the first website that loads here on Google results. Random list, random generator for everything. Click on this link. We've arrived at this website. You'll also be able to find an option called addresses. The random generators, random addresses, will then generate a fake United States address complete with street, city, state, and zip codes. But be cautious, as some of these may turn out to be real addresses. So we're going to use this one right here. Okay. When you click on this, you will see a list of random addresses that you can use. But before you go, I'd like you to scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see this, Edit Settings. So if you click on this, you'll see a drop-down panel. These are the alternatives. Addresses in California, Canada, Florida, London, New York, Oklahoma, Texas, and the United Kingdom. This is a crucial step. I'd like you to choose Canadian addresses. So after selecting that option, you'll see a list of different addresses that will load here. And they're all generated at random. As you can see, we can sign up with any of these addresses. You can enter any of these addresses during the sign-up process. Let's get started with the sign-up process. What I want you to do now is choose the country, which is Canada. The next step will be to return to the random list generator. And we'll copy one of these addresses right here. So you can simply copy and paste whatever you want onto your sign-up form. If you're still confused about this process, you can always rewatch it or simply replay it until you fully understand it. After that, enter your birth date here in your ethnicity, and then select Caucasian or white. Following that, you must create and confirm your own password, as well as agree to the website's terms and privacy policies. That's all there is to it. Then press the Continue button. On the next page, they will say, please complete the following consent form in order to continue membership, and you will need to check all of these boxes. Make sure you check all 4 boxes, if you've been following me throughout the video. And if you completed all of these steps, you are now able to earn $1, which is free when you sign up. On top of that, you've just unlocked up to $50 in high-paying surveys, whereas those who didn't follow my procedure would only earn $1 to $5. However, now that you've followed me and we fully signed up, we can earn up to $50 per survey. So if you're finished signing up, you can do this right now because you've officially unlocked other surveys worth up to $25. Again, the sign-up process is a little difficult, but if you follow my secret tip, you'll make a lot of money. Now, I'd like to take you to this page where we can see how people all over the world are making money using this method. And, as you can see, there are a lot of people right here who love this method or this website because it has really helped them, especially now that they are in quarantine. This is a huge help for anyone looking for a side hustle. Aside from opening emails, you can also earn money by completing surveys, referring others, and watching paid videos. This method is simple, and you can use it even if you're a beginner. I can recommend this if you're looking for ways to make money online. That's all there is to it. Before we go, please subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the following videos.